Hi, Bob Wilkins again with another project from ModelTrainSounds.com. This time to repair an HO scale trolley. Many used trolleys purchased second-hand from train shows, swap meets or online have problems from poor running performance to parts missing or broken. This TYCO trolley was purchased for a few dollars online. The model ran roughly and intermittently with a noisy motor, obviously needing some maintenance. Some tools and equipment needed for this job include Q-tips, cotton swabs, a small screwdriver, a tray for parts, a cleaning fluid. I prefer mineral spirits, though 50 to 70% isopropyl alcohol can also be used. An old toothbrush can also come in handy. In addition, some light machine oil and electric spray for lubrication is also needed. We first disassemble the chassis from the cabin by removing the 4 screws in the corners of the undercarriage. Here, a flat-bladed screwdriver is used. Note the grime on the wheels, which can be an obvious cause of poor performance. Once disassembled, make a note of how the motor is oriented within the cabin to ensure it is reassembled in the same way. The tram pole faces to the rear. Check the electrical contacts on the wheels to be sure that they are making good contact and adjust if necessary. Check for any broken or disconnected wires that need repairing or resoldering. Check next for any accumulated debris around and under the motor. Here, a large amount of iron filings were noted attached to the motor magnet. This could be a possible cause for the grinding noise on this unit. This can be removed by using the toothbrush and Q-tips. Any debris which is found here should also be removed and the area cleaned with a Q-tip soaked in solvent. Clean the wheels using a Q-tip dipped in the cleaning solvent to remove dirt and oxidation from the wheel track contact surfaces. Most of these trolleys have 2 rivets that hold the motor and the lower wheel assembly, as shown here. These parts cannot be disassembled. If, however, screws are present, you can remove this lower metal chassis to get access to the gear cogs for cleaning. Next, we clean the commutator located here under the brushes. This will usually be stained by black carbon deposits from the wearing of the brushes. The commutator can be cleaned by inserting a Q-tip soaked in cleaning solvent into the opening between the wheels and the motor and rotating the commutator and rotor coil. The black carbon debris is shown here on the Q-tip. This is a major cause of poor performance, so make sure the commutator is thoroughly cleaned. The brushes usually do not require replacing if the motor is running. Spray the commutator and brushes with CRD electric spray to improve the contact. Lubricate the wheels and gear mechanism with a drop of oil. The motor is now ready for testing. This can be done by wiring up some track to a 9-volt battery or testing the unit on a layout. Next is the cabin. Remove the detachable sheet of silhouetted passengers and clean the cabin with soap and water. When dry, reinsert the passenger sheets. If the tram pole is missing or broken, it can be replaced either by purchasing a new one or by scavenging a pole from a broken model. A non-motorized trolley, such as this Bachmann trolley, commonly available cheaply on eBay, can be used. Other parts, such as the silhouettes, may also come in handy. Reassembly requires reinserting the motor and wheel guard brackets into the cabin. These are arranged in the same way they were removed. Reattach the securing screws at each corner. The trolley is now ready for the track and should run smoothly at low speed here on this automatic reversing track. The methods used here can also be used on other small trolleys and locomotives that need repair. Thanks again for watching. Check out more projects at our website, modeltrainsounds.com.